up in the sky. 'Cause all else let be. And inside of me, it gave me that sudden sense of being free. And damn, that felt good, you know.
Like I could breathe again, like the weight just let go.
So when I'm lonely and I want to cry, when the walls close in and the hours drag by, I dream I'm that bird flying free in the sky, riding the currents, watching the world roll by. No chains, no pain, just the wind and the light. I'm that bird in my mind, soaring through the endless blue tonight. Sometimes the silence gets too loud, and I forget what freedom sounds like. But there's a window in the back of my mind. I see feathers catching sunlight, and I remember that I can fly. At least in here, at least sometimes. And when the darkness feels too close, when I need somewhere else to go, I dream I'm that bird flying free in the sky, riding the currents, watching the world roll by. No chains, no pain, just the wind and the light. I'm that bird in my mind, soaring through the endless blue tonight. Scan the sky, where the air is thin and clear, where nobody asks why. Let the quiet take me higher, let my heavy heart grow light. Feathers lit with smoke and fire, carrying me through the night. up in the sky, and it gave me the sense of feeling free. It really felt good. Really felt good to me.